Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 21. Two mothers and two daughters sat down to enjoy a drink. Each person had one drink, and the total number of drinks was 3. Explain how this is possible. This is a very enjoyable and interesting little problem. Now, if you'd like to solve it, just pause the video now on this slide and give yourself some time to solve the problem. I'll move on to the next slide now and we'll talk about the solution. So you pause it now if you wish. At first glance, this is a tricky problem because you expect that there would be 4 people and 4 drinks. If we look at the people on the left, we can see how this is possible. Betty is Mary's mother. So there's Betty. So she is Mary's mother. Mary is Sue's mother. So there's Mary, and she is Sue's mother. Hence, we have 2 mothers, so the 2 mothers are Betty and Mary, and 2 daughters, and the 2 daughters are Mary and Sue, but only 3 people. So there are only 3 drinks. I really hope you enjoyed that problem, and it just took a little bit of thought. I mean, at first glance you wouldn't think it's possible, but there's a reasonable explanation how this problem is possible.